Getting it right on LinkedIn isn't easy.
Especially when there's so many ways you can go wrong.
That's why we designed this tutorial, along with a downloadable checklist, so you can get posted, get seen, and get traction.
Let's start with posting video the right way. Once it's through compliance, before you upload it, make sure the name of your video file makes sense. Don't load a video file called YV4. The name of your video file is actually part of the data about your post. People can't see it, but it actually matters. Next, direct upload your MP4 video file by clicking the video button. This will make your video autoplay in everyone's feed.
While you are editing your video, we help you add animated captions. These will help stop people mid-scroll so they'll watch your video. An estimated 80 to 90% of your video views will come from people who have the sound turned off, which means captions are important. If you've added the captions on your video like we recommended, there's another caption-related step. When you're posting your video, make sure to click the CC right below your video and turn captions off. LinkedIn auto-generates captions and assumes you want them on. But if you've added those eye-catching animated captions, then you'll end up with a double-layered caption mess. While you're loading your video, look for this photo icon. That's a chance for you to add your own thumbnail, and the only way to avoid LinkedIn randomly selecting the most unflattering freeze frame of you.
Let's talk about the words you're posting with your video, because it's not just about the video file. You want to load up something compelling for your audience to read too. It's important that you write at least a few sentences and make it catchy enough so that people will click that more button to open up the post and read the whole thing. Another thing LinkedIn loves is when people add comments to your post. And there is an easy trick to encourage people to do that. In the copy of your video, ask your audience a question. Some of your viewers will take the time to click on the comments and give you an answer, and voila, more engagement with your post. And that post then gets shown to more people.
If the video is a big deal, something you'd like everyone who checks you out on LinkedIn to see, you can go to your profile and select it as a featured post. That way, every profile view will serve the story up. This is great for a personal story or a testimonial video. Another way to get more organic reach is to post consistently. Load a video up every week and you'll automatically reach more people than you would with a once-a-month post. And finally, there's a trick called warming up LinkedIn. When you're adding a video, instead of clicking post, choose the clock icon and schedule your video to go out 15 minutes later. Then spend the next 15 minutes tracking down folks who are your ideal clients and commenting on their LinkedIn posts. This is training the algorithm for the right audience. Don't spend that time commenting on other advisors' posts, or LinkedIn will prioritize showing your content to other advisors. That's how you end up in an echo chamber.
Make sure to download our LinkedIn video checklist and review it as you post your next videos. Once you've gone through it a few times, you'll be a video posting pro.
If you need help creating ROI-focused videos that will build your authority and grow your practice,
schedule your video growth call to get started.